The Dell Latitude 3550 is a powerhouse business laptop designed for professionals who demand performance, speed, and reliability. From the moment you power it on, it's clear that this machine means business. With its sleek black finish and durable build, it's made to handle the rigors of daily office or remote work while still looking professional and modern. Its 15.6-inch Full HD display provides sharp, vibrant visuals with an anti-glare coating, ensuring comfortable viewing even in brightly lit environments. Whether you're working from a conference room or a coffee shop, the screen delivers clarity without unnecessary strain. Under the hood, this laptop is equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 155U processor, a 12-core chip that combines performance and efficiency to deliver top-tier multitasking and application handling. This new generation processor even outpaces the older i7-1355U, making it a serious upgrade for users who want both speed and smart resource management. What makes this processor especially exciting is its built-in NPU, or Neural Processing Unit, which enables Intel AI Boost. This feature enhances your experience with AI-powered applications like Microsoft Copilot and helps with tasks such as real-time language translation, intelligent suggestions, and even image generation. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, the Dell Latitude 3550 is built to multitask like a dream. You can run multiple heavy programs, manage dozens of browser tabs, and still maintain smooth performance. This amount of memory is typically reserved for high-end workstations, and having it in a laptop ensures future-proofing for years to come. It's perfect for professionals working with large datasets, media editing, or any multitasking-heavy workflow. Storage is another area where this laptop shines. It comes with a 2TB PCIe NVMe solid-state drive, which ensures lightning-fast boot times, rapid file access, and plenty of room for everything from documents and videos to software applications and backup files. This SSD isn't just about space, it's about speed, and it makes a big difference in day-to-day use, whether you're loading a program or transferring large files. Connectivity options on the Latitude 3550 are excellent. It includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, which provide stable, fast wireless connections for streaming, video calls, and file sharing. Port selection is also versatile, featuring a USB 4 Gen 2 Type-C with power delivery and DisplayPort, multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI, an Ethernet port, and a universal audio jack. This makes it ideal for users who regularly connect to external monitors, projectors, wired networks, or other peripherals. The backlit keyboard feels great to type on and includes a numeric keypad, making it convenient for data entry and financial work. There's also a fingerprint reader built into the power button, adding a layer of biometric security that's fast and reliable. With the addition of Dell's Control Vault 3, you get advanced hardware-based security features to keep your sensitive data safe. The laptop also ships with a bundled mouse and a high-quality cable, so you're ready to work immediately with no extra purchases needed. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, which is a major plus for business users. It offers enhanced multitasking tools, remote desktop access, and additional security features like BitLocker encryption. Whether you're using this laptop for video conferencing, remote collaboration, software development, or creative work, the operating system complements the hardware beautifully to provide a smooth and responsive user experience. In real-world use, the Dell Latitude 3550 stands out for its ability to handle demanding workloads while remaining cool and quiet. The build quality, performance capabilities, and thoughtful features make it a standout choice for business professionals, IT teams, educators, and creators. This isn't just a laptop, it's a full-fledged productivity machine that's built to last and designed to deliver.